Welcome to DIY for Tiny Tots. I'm Ms. Stephanie with the Brighton District Library, and today we're making snow dough. So how do you make snow dough? It's really simple. It requires 2 ingredients that are commonly found around the house, including cornstarch and oil. This is canola oil, but you can also use vegetable oil or olive oil, whatever you might have on hand. Now, for this recipe, we're going to empty this whole 16-ounce container. I've got it in a Ziploc bag. I recommend doing 2 of them if you have a larger sensory bin that you want to use, but if you've got just kind of a smaller bowl and you want just a quick fun thing to do in the afternoon, 1 batch should be enough. So it's a 16-ounce box to a half a cup of your oil. So we put it in a Ziploc bag, and of course it's gotten everywhere. It's nature of the beast. And we're gonna add our half a cup of oil. We're gonna add that into the bag with our cornstarch, and then we're gonna mix it up. This is a fun part that your little one can also help you with. They're a little bit bigger. You can get it zipped up, and then they can help kind of mix it in the bag. You wanna make sure your seal is really tight because you don't want this going all over the place. And then we're just gonna mix it. So this is a fun thing that, like I said, that they can do. And once you have it all mixed together, you can get a bowl, or if you've got a big plastic container that you wanna put it in, it's a great thing for them to get to touch and feel. Now it is taste safe because it is made with all food safe items, but I wouldn't recommend letting them just take big mouthfuls and eat it. But if a little bit is on their hand and they accidentally lick it and they get a little over adventurous, it should be just fine. But again, we always recommend adult supervision. You can hide fun things in there if you've got some fun winter themes that you'd like to hide in there, or just simple plastic balls, or little plastic animal toys. Dig it in there so they have to dig it out. Cups would be a fun thing that they can pack it into there. Now it should hold a shape and kind of compact into a snowball, which is also fun, but I wouldn't recommend them throwing it across the room. So it looks like we've got a good mix going. Yes, that looks good. Now you can always add a little bit more oil or add a little bit more cornstarch as needed. Whatever's gonna work. I'm gonna pour a little bit out into my bowl here so that you can all see it. And here we go. We have our snow dough, and it's gonna form a ball. Mine might need a little bit more oil, but it forms a ball that they can touch and feel. And it feels a bit like snow, but it doesn't have that coldness to it. So that's really great for little ones to have a different touch sensation to play around with, but it doesn't require them going out in the 20 degrees Michigan winter. So we all like that. So there's our snow dough recipe. Thank you so much for joining the Brighton District Library, and have a great day.